Okay, so I've just deleted all the other stuff. Okay, we don't need them. I'm going to add a new tag, okay, which is very important, which we very commonly use. Is called as p tag, and p tag is a paragraph. And paragraph meaning you can divide your HTML content in multiple paragraphs. Okay, so this is a basic line separation we're gonna use every time. Good with that? So this is paragraph tag. Okay, and we're gonna use that. So close that. Okay, and if I execute the line again and run this, so this is a paragraph tag. If I add multiple paragraph tags like this, so tag line 1, and I append that, so it's a line 2, line 3, line 3. What I will do is I'll just use this paragraph tags and then show you this example. Okay, so this is how it looks like. But if I don't use that, if I don't use p tags, so you're getting my point. So I'll get the result like this. So if I really want a paragraphical separation within the content, I should use p tags. Okay, if I want to break the line in between, I can use br also. So if I want to just type in p tag here, okay, and this is an entire paragraph, and I want to close my p tag here, but I still want my lines to be separated with breaks. What I can do is, so this is line 2, let's say. Let me open it in a screen, and this is line 3. I can use br tag. Okay, br is a separator. Okay, you can use br, and br doesn't need an end tag actually. It's a individual one. So you can add br. This br is nothing but break. Okay, and if I run this code now, you're gonna get this particular feature. Cool with that? So this is with the help of br. So if I want multiple breaks, I can do that with the help of multiple br tags. So just add a br tag here and one more br tag here, and that will be like 3 blank lines in between. So if I go back and I refresh the screen, and you will be able to see the change that we have 3 blank lines in between. Sometimes the text we are using is pre-formatted, like poems, okay, or some defined paragraph, okay, some statements by big authors or big people, so they are pre-formatted. At that time you can use pre. So if we are using pre tag, okay, this is very interesting, right? So pre is something which will maintain the formatting of the text. Okay, so this text maintains formatting as this is really cool text. Okay, and then you can just run this and you can see the effect of pre. So whatever, even the tabs in between, okay, is properly formatted. So this is pre, so this is the effect of pre. So even spaces between them is properly maintained. Every HTML tag allow you to add styles. So these styles either can be a part of this particular tag itself, or what you can do is you can actually add a CSS file and apply entire class of that particular style. But we're gonna understand CSS in detail in subsequent videos. Here though, I'll just tell you like how do you use styles. So let's say if I want to change the color of this, okay, so we can just say style, and style is a keyword which is understood by HTML, and in that you can just say color, okay, and colon whatever color you want. So let's say blue, so color is blue and you added that, so that will change the color to blue. I hope that, okay, so yes, it is changing to blue. So you can actually add multiple styles like that. And if you really need a complicated structure, like you want color blue as well as underline, as well as change in the font, okay, change in the font text, okay, and all those things, you can define a class in a CSS and then add that class here. Okay, so all that thing we're gonna learn later. I'm just telling you that a style option do exist, okay, to set what I can say, a typical property for a tag. So if it is single, you can directly put it. If it is a complex one, you can put it in a CSS. The text which we are adding in HTML can have a formatting tags also. So just like BR, there are other formatting tags. Okay, so in BR we are just adding a new line, but then you can make it bold, you can delete it, you can make an italics. Okay, so all those things you can do with the help of formatting tags. So let's use some formatting tags in our page. So what I'm going to do is I'll just create one sentence and we'll apply all the formatting tags to it. Good with that? So let's do it. So I'm writing in a p tag, okay, and inside p tag, okay, I'm closing that p tag by the way, and within that we're gonna write a line. Let's say, so here I'm saying b, so b is for bold, okay, and I'm writing a sentence here. This sentence or this line is for formatting, okay, to test. This line is to test formatting. That's it. So this is what I'm going to do. So if I just run this one, you're gonna see the line is bold. Now similarly we do have other ones, so let's see here. So I just noted down all those things. So you can actually have bold, strong, okay, so strong is very similar to bold, by the way. There is no huge difference between that. So let's take this all together and put it here. Cool with that? So I'll put it here. Okay, make it complete. Now what I'll do, I'll add this formatting sentences in everything. So this is a bold text, okay, putting that, important text, copy pasting the stuff. Later we'll close it in proper formatting tags, okay, don't worry about that. I just want to go through all and put it, and then it will be ended of course with strong. Okay, that's I is for italics. Emphasize is I think it is underline. Okay, so then you have mark, correct, you have small is for small text. Okay, so instead of using, so delete instead of using the h1 h2 you can use small and mark. Okay, delete is for like it will have a scratch line on it. Okay, okay, insert set. And generally we use it in conjunction with normal text. Okay, so that will be helpful for you to understand. So I'll add one more tweet, or generally we just do this right way. So this is subtext and this is supertext. Okay, this is it. So now we're gonna test this. Okay, so go ahead and test it here. Okay, so this is formatting line, this is deleted text. If you really want to have a break line in between, either you can do this. Okay, so you can have a separate p tags so that you will be able to take this properly, read this properly. So quickly add that. And in p tags, what will happen is you will get everything in a new line. Okay, you can use break as well, you can use multiple tricks which I told you. That's one way. Well, with that, so let's go ahead and test the code now. Okay, so this is test formatting. So bold one, important. There is no like hardly there is a difference between strong and bold, right? Then you have italics, you have emphasized. Okay, so again hardly there is a difference there. Then marked one, so you have marker line on that. Good with that. Then you have small one, so it's smaller than this one. Okay, so the difference is a little small. Then deleted, it has a scratch on it. Inserted. Okay, then we have a subtext. Subtext is the lower bottom of that particular line, and then you have smaller text. Okay, and this is superscript. Superscript like is we write square of something. Okay, so that is superscript, so you can actually add that there. Okay, cool with that. So we have all these examples of different kind of formatting available in HTML. One more formatting or one more thing we need in HTML is quotes. Okay, so how do we add quotes? Quote has a meaning to it. So in HTML, so just like this. Okay, so every HTML tags understand quotes differently. So how do we add quotes? So we add quotes with the help of Q. So here, let's say if we have a sentence, so this sentence has, and then you have quote tag, which is Q, and whatever text you really need. So this is quote, and then you can end the quote tag. Okay, Okay, and this is out of quote, correct? And then you can close pre-tag. So now this quote word will come with the quotes. Cool with that? So let's say cool with it.